Hello everyone, welcome to Tool Junkie. When it comes to buying the right tools, there's a lot to look out for. That's why today we're going to review the 5 best models for you. And we've ranked them by many different factors such as product features, price, performance, and more. Make sure to check the product links in the description for more information. Let's get started with the video.
Here we present the 5 best wood glue. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Glue Master's Cyanoacrylate Instant Glue. This resin-based adhesive settles in under 50 seconds, bonding quickly and keeping everything held together without slipping or leaving any stains and drips that can interfere with other materials. The formula it uses is versatile enough to work on a range of different materials, not just wood. Things like china and glass can be bonded to really well, making it a more multi-purpose tool than most purpose-built wood glue. The thicker solution takes less glue to make a proper bond than with most other brands, so a smaller container will last a lot longer than you might first expect. Number 2. Fastcap 2P10 Super Glue Adhesive. Fastcap's 2P10 Super Glue is an incredibly sticky and fast-drying adhesive that's excellent for sticking together wood on short notice. Thanks to the exact formula used to create it, it won't leak or run when it's placed on a non-flat surface. It's versatile enough to stick onto a variety of different surfaces, not just wood. This helps when trying to build or fix more complex items or pieces of furniture, as well as vertical surfaces that need to be bonded together quickly so that they don't collapse. Number 3. Gorilla Wood Glue. Gorilla Glue is known for being strong, and this Gorilla Wood Glue is no exception, using a water-based formula that dries within half an hour and is completely ready to cover up in a day. Because of this, it's also surprisingly water-resistant and can be used both inside and outside without running into any bonding issues. It's designed to work with any type of wood, including both hardwoods and softwoods as well as natural composites. This makes it easy to construct or repair objects that use a mixture of wood types and styles. Number 4. Flex Seal Rubberized Waterproof Adhesive. This waterproof glue provides a thick, instant bond that can easily hold large amounts of wood together. The strong bonding helps keep surfaces together without needing you to hold it all together, and the durable formula is able to withstand mildew, UV light, and water without slipping or wearing away easily. It also won't drip or run between surfaces, and can even be used on surfaces above you without leaking back down. This makes it really easy to use for repair work or construction in a range of different. Number 5. Titebond 14-13-3 Ultimate Wood Glue. Titebond's Ultimate Wood Glue is water-resistant wood bonding formula that's meant to be quick and easy to use, applying a strong bond straight away to help you hold things in place during more complicated assembly jobs. Rather than slowly bonding two pieces together, the glue is sticky as soon as it leaves the container and gets even stronger after it's left alone for a while. The formula also allows it to work correctly at lower temperatures, making it suitable for outdoor use and is non-toxic to a level where indirect contact won't taint any food you hold afterward.
We have included the product links in the description below for more details. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.